बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम ग्रेड 5। Hopefully you will be fine. Welcome to online class. It's our week 2 in computer studies, as we are studying chapter number 2, data devices. Today we will study its page number 15 and 16. Printer. Types of printer. So what is printer? A printer is a device that accepts text and graphic output from a computer and transfers the information to paper. प्रिंटर एक ऐसी डिवाइस, एक ऐसी मशीन होती है जो कि टेक्स्ट की फॉर्म में, रिटन फॉर्म में या फिर ग्राफिक पिक्चर्स की फॉर्म में, डायग्राम्स की फॉर्म में इनपुट लेती है और कंप्यूटर से आउटपुट की फॉर्म में लेती है और इसको ट्रांसफ़र करती है इस इंफॉर्मेशन को पेपर के ऊपर। और यूजुअली टू स्टैंडर्ड साइज शीट्स ऑफ पेपर। इसके लिए प्रिंटर के लिए प्रिंट करने के लिए कौन सी शीट्स यूज़ होती हैं? स्टैंडर्ड साइज पेपर। और नेक्स्ट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रिंटर और इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर, नॉन इम्पैक्ट प्रिंटर। नाउ वी विल मूव टूवर्ड्स पेज नंबर 15 for reading. Open page number 15. Printer. A printer provides output in a permanent readable form on a physical medium like paper or transparent film. A printer provides output in a permanent readable form on a physical medium like paper or transparent film. The printed output is called the hard copy. As your book page is hard copy. It's in print form. Now, printers are of two main types: impact and non-impact. Impact printers. And in an impact printer, a print head strikes an ink ribbon, which in turn strikes the paper to make a mark on the paper, as figure 2.4. You can see that here is a ribbon which strikes to the print head and it prints on paper. This means that there is mechanical contact between the print head and the paper. Mechanical contact means, as the printer is a machine, so it's mechanical contact between print head and the paper. Examples of impact printers are dot matrix, daisy wheel and line printers. Now what is dot matrix printer? In this type of printer, the print head contains a number of pins, 9, 18 or 24, arranged vertically. Vertically like this, in this form. As the print head moves in back and forth motion across the paper, some of the pins are pressed against the ink ribbon to form a pattern of dots on the paper. As you can see, 2.5 A to C, what is the process of dot matrix printer? Here is dot matrix printer. Here you can see print head of a dot matrix printer. Pins form a pattern of dots, and here comes dot matrix printer. It can print multiple carbon copies, therefore it is used for printing receipts or bills. However, it is slow and noisy and gives low quality output. Nowadays, it has been largely replaced by non-impact printers. It is used in typing. Now, non-impact printer. In this type of printer, there is no mechanical contact between the print head and the paper. Examples of non-impact printer are inkjet and laser printers. As you know, in laser technology, there is no connection between the output and the input. Inkjet printers. In an inkjet printer, the print head sprays extremely small droplets of ink on the paper to form the desired character or image. As in figure 2.6 you can see, this is inkjet printer. It is faster and has better printing quality than a dot matrix printer. However, the print out has a tendency to smear if it gets wet. In a laser printer, a laser beam, a dense beam of light produces an image of the desired character on a drum called a roller. The roller is passed through powdered ink called toner. The toner sticks to the parts of the drum that were hit by the laser beam. Finally, the characters are transferred to the paper through a combination of heat and pressure. A laser printer is very fast and produces high quality print outs. As you can see here, how impact printer works. Look at this, how impact printer works. Now look at this, how inkjet printer works. How inkjet printer works. Now you can see that how laser printer works. How laser printer works. These are laser lights. Is internal structure of laser printer, how it works. Here comes the print by laser printer. Thanks grade 5. Hopefully you will understand about printer. You can watch these videos from your YouTube channels of how printer works. Thank you.